So you can establish that, work from center, build your concentric rings, get the shape of your vase, right? So establish the water line. So whatever vase or glass you're going to use, halfway filled with water, put it on a white piece of paper, put the branch and leaf structure inside there, and do that drawing. So you're dealing with transparency, reflection, refraction, and opacity within the leaf and the stem. So there's a lot going on with the drawing, but remember, it's so important. Since you can see through the vase, you got to draw through that so you can draw your concentric rings, and it really helps you to visualize that at the same time. Having the proper light source is hugely important too, because that will give you a distinction between light and shadow and gray tones, and you can work that in. And you just got to pay attention to the composition and the continuity of the form as you're drawing that. So start everything out as that line drawing, build a compositional study. This is, that piece of paper is looking straight on, so it becomes more of a trapezoid, compressing and going back into space. You have a concentric ring at the bottom based upon this horizontal line here. You got your water point here. You got your, where the vase comes in, then when it expands back out again. So if you look at the expansion of that form, how far that lip comes out, it's almost in line with this side of the vase here. And then it tapers down into the bottom, right? So now, usually at the foot of the vase, there's it's thicker glass, so you get a brighter light and a more intense dark shadow. So the whole thing about glass and water, when that compresses on the side, that's going to give you your darkest darks. Your light illumination is on the center of that vase, and your intense darks are compressing onto the side. So it really is a linear drawing composition dealing with transparency, reflection, refraction, and opacity all at the same time. So that's the next sketchbook drawing assignment in the sequence. And then after that one, I have, I think, 3 more drawings. So that is number 7, right? And so we'll get up to 10 sketchbook drawing assignments for this semester, and then it will be in-class work as well. And I will be doing those drawings, and they will be put on the video at the same time. So anyways, there you go. Vase and a leaf, set up your compositional studies, and draw through. And there you go. You just got to stay with the drawing. So that was like an hour and 26 minutes for me on that. So it's an hour and 30 to 2 hour drawings each time whenever I sit down. But that really helps you to establish the drawing and really to establish your focus and get into it. And it really allows you to pay attention to all the nuances in terms of structure of light and shadow. All right. Thank you very much and have a good night.